Alright, boys and girls, we are harvesting today with the tools we found at the barn. I go run over to Gage, see if he's awake. Oh, he's awake. He's got the grain truck already. Hey, good morning.
Hi. Just getting everything started out.
Alright, I'll get the combine started and everything.
Alright.
So, I'm gonna hop in the old 1175, get her all started up. There we go. Let her warm up for a few minutes. Alright guys, so we're gonna get started on getting this corn all chopped up. Oh, missing a few already. So I don't know how full this combine is gonna get. You know, it depends on. Maybe I can put this way. Let's see how full it's getting. It's not really that full right now. I mean, it's filling up pretty fast, 5%. So I'm gonna do it in sections, so kind of taking out that guy's corn. So I'm gonna do it like this. Man, this old 1175 still eats this stuff though. Like it's a job. I mean, well, it is kind of its job, but. So this is kind of going to take forever. And I want to see you guys. And I want you guys to see us harvest this. So I'm going to just put this in fast forward.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life.
Alright guys, well that's it for today. We're going to plow and then plant in the next episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoyed the series. And hey, drop a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.